We're going to look at Google Classroom and Google Classroom grade categories. The nice thing with this, especially during remote learning, is at a glance you can see whether the students were completing an assignment at home, on their own, maybe it was homework, in person, in class, whatever phrasing you want to. If we go into my class, I'll show you what it looks like. So I've gone into my Google Classroom, into my gradebook, and you'll notice up here it says online underneath the assignment. It says in class, and homework. Now these are all different grade categories I've set up so that when my students do the work, I can see that actually it's always the in-class work that this student is missing. So how do we set up grade categories? To set up grade categories, first of all, you go to the class. So I'm going to go to Group B here. You go to the settings in the top right-hand corner. You scroll down until the very bottom where you can add a grade category. I'm clicking on add a grade category, and these categories can be anything you want. You can have as many as you like, or you might just have two. So you might just have online and in person. You can decide what the total number of points are. I normally use 4 because that's what's on my rubric, but it's up to you. Once you've set your grade categories, you hit save. So now when I set a piece of work, so you can see I've set the work as normal, and over here I assign it to all my students, and under this bit over here on the right hand side you'll see the words grade category. This is where you choose. So this is where I'm going to choose, is it an online or in-person activity? So this one is an online activity. I give it my due date if I want my due date, as always. I give it a topic if I want a topic. So perhaps I'm going to call this ELA. And then I assign it. The nice thing with this, remember, is that at a glance, I will be able to see whether my students' work is maybe suffering when they're doing all their work online, or maybe they're really rocking it and doing really, really well when their work's online or in person. This helps me have a conversation with them about their learning environment.